Hey guys, welcome to The Buzz. We've got some buzzworthy announcements for you today, but first I want to wish everyone a Chag Sukkot Sameach. Happy Sukkot. It's that time of year again when the Israelites dwell in temporary huts for 7 days to commemorate the time God provided for their ancient ancestors in the wilderness. Jewish families all over the world and many Torah-observant Gentiles built a sukkah, a temporary hut that is typically filled with live plants and homemade decorations. During Sukkot, or the Festival of Booths, as it's known in English, you're commanded to basically live in your booth for a full week. That means you eat in them, drink in them, relax in them, play in them, sleep in them, and I even know some people who exercise in them. It's amazing to see a commandment given over 3,000 years ago being observed by modern people like you and me. Sukkot is a joyous time of year, and if you built a sukkah this year, we would love to feature it on our Facebook page, so email us a photo so we can share it with our friends and viewers. Well, we're excited to announce that Roundup gifts are almost on their way. It hasn't been a simple feat, but I'm really impressed with the progress we've made thanks to the help of Amy and a few of our loyal volunteers. We expect to have those delivered to your mailboxes before the end of this month. Guess whose show begins airing next week? The lovely and brilliant Sandra Barras. Please tune into Sandra's show where she brings her depth and insight on the weekly Torah portions. It's highly recommended to pick up Sandra's book, Shabbat Shalom. It's the reading that corresponds with her program, so order your copy from the bookstore today. Also, remember, if you don't have a current program schedule, you can find it on the website or give us a call and we'll send you one. Okay, if you're one of the few who still do not have a copy of Enough Propaganda by Alan Tommy Cooper, then you're missing out. It's the latest book by the Coopers, and it explains the current situation in the Middle East in a way that's easy to understand. We've had countless people order copies for their friends and family after reading it. We've set them at the affordable price of $5.95, so you can order one for everyone you know. You can find it on the website or give us a call. Thank you so much for your support. Have a blessed rest of the high holiday season and a great weekend. We'll see you next time on The Buzz.